This video training will show you how to build your own digital products website. You can also call this website digital downloads website. Later in this video, I'll be showing you your earning potentials with your digital downloads website. With this website, you can sell any form of digital products of your choice. One thing that makes this website so powerful is that users can come to your website, create an account, and sell their own digital assets or digital products on your site, where you earn the commission of every transaction they make on your website. This website is also similar to CodeKernel or TeamForest, where developers can come, create account, and sell their scripts, PHP scripts, WordPress themes, HTML templates, and what have you. Like I said earlier, you can sell any form of digital products of your choice, including ebooks. So if you're looking to create a digital products website that you'll be using to sell your ebooks, then this is a video for you. In a nutshell, your website is going to act like a marketplace or a multi-vendors digital products website where other sellers can sell their own digital assets. With that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at a full demo of the website we're going to be setting up in this full video tutorial, because I want you to understand how this website works, how it looks like before building it. Okay, so that will help you make a decision whether to watch or continue watching this video or not. So if you are ready, I'm ready. Let me now show you a full tour of the website we're going to be setting up in this video training. We are first of all going to demo our front end. And that's what you're seeing right now. This is our front end, and this is where or what your users are going to see when they first land on your website. On top here, we have our website address or our domain name. Later, I'll be showing you how to set up your domain name. On top here, we have our social links. We are going to be linking our social profiles to these icons. That way, users will be able to get in touch with you. To your extreme right, we have these buttons. We have a login, registration, and a language switcher. They can switch this site to a different language. Beneath, we have a second navigation. To your left, we have our logo, and to your right, you have your menus. A feature, they can click on it to switch your site to dark mode, just like this. Now, I like websites in this mode, so I'm not turning it back. Beneath, we have our hero area, and our hero area displays this text, a search bar. User can click and search for whatever they are looking for, and we have these categories. I will also be teaching you how you can create categories just like this for your digital products website. With my site, I have 4 different categories. I have ebooks, PHP scripts, HTML, and mobile apps. You can create as many categories as you want for your website. Scrolling down, we have our latest products. Your site is going to list the most recent products that are listed by sellers on this part of the site, and that's your latest products feature. There's a text here we can customize or we can replace in the course of the video. Okay, continue scrolling. You can see a button. Users can click on this to see more products or to view more products. We have discounted products. Products that are on sale will be displayed right beneath here. Again, there's a button you can click to browse, or users can click to browse all the products that are available on your digital products website. Continue scrolling. We have your FAQ, which stands for frequently asked questions. Right now, the site has dummy content, and that means we will be replacing these details later down the line. Continue scrolling. We have our blog post. I'll also be teaching you how you can start writing blog posts or start writing blog content for your digital products website, which is very, very important for search engine optimization. Scroll down and we have our footer area of our homepage. Our logo is here, a brief description of our site, social links, important links, your newsletter. Users can enter their email here and subscribe to your newsletter. which is very important because you can promote your things to these users somewhere down the line. We have address. This will display your physical location, telephone number, and then your support email. Scroll down, we have our copyright text, terms and conditions, condition page, privacy and policy, and then your cookies policy. And finally, we have a button here user can click, and the site is going to take them back to the top, just like this. And that's just a quick rundown on your homepage or your front page, how your homepage looks like. It's then time for me to demo how a single listing will look like, or a single product looks like on your website. To get your single product, let's scroll down to one of our products. Now these are my latest products. Let's pick one of them. In my case, I'm going to pick this one. As you can see, I have multiple products on my site under my categories. So right now this product is under the category HTML. When users land on your site, they're going to see the category that a product falls under. So this product is under the HTML category. They can see the title of the product, whether or not the product is on sale, price for our product, a button they can click to make purchase. Right now, we're not going to purchase this product. We're only going to see how a full product listing looks like. So to do so, let's just click on our product. So I'll click on it and wait for the site to load. Right now, this is our product, and this looks similar to Codecanyon. Scroll down, you can see product image, on top product title. Now when you hover on this, there's a link you can click to preview this product, just like on Codecanyon, and you can link it to any website of your choice or your demo. You can see screenshots of your products here, and then image for your product. To your right, your price, a button they can click to add this product to cart. Because this product is an HTML or a PHP script, you can see the latest update for our product, when this product was published on the site, and then category or the category this product falls under. Beneath our product image, we have our share icons. You can share this product to Facebook, to Twitter or to X, LinkedIn or Instagram. Scroll down and you can see the title of your product, the category, total sales made. Users can leave review for this product by clicking on they'll enter their message and then click on submit after rating it. Okay, and that's how a single product looks on your website. Because it's a digital downloads website, you can sell anything you want on the site. Now the question is, how do you sell products, or how will users sell products on your digital downloads or digital products website? This part of the video will answer that question. So we're first of all going to create an account on your website. After that, I'll show you how your seller's dashboard is going to look like. Because after we create account, we're going to get access to a seller's dashboard where we can list our products. To create an account, on top, just click on register and wait. This is how your registration form or your registration page looks like. Users will enter their username, email, country, which is going to be selected automatically, phone number, enter their passwords and click on sign up. Once they click on sign up, they'll be asked to verify their emails, and that's it. They have a seller's account that they can sell their own digital products on your site. I already have an account on this website. Because of that, I'm not going to register another account. I'm simply going to log in by clicking on log in now, or on top I'll click on log in. Once the page is fully loaded, I'll enter my username or email and password. So I'll click like this, enter my email or username, and then I'll enter my password. And then I'll click on sign in. I will be redirected to my dashboard, and this is my seller's dashboard. This is how all your users account is going to look like. Let me now use this opportunity to explain the things you need to know about this dashboard. All your users are going to have the same dashboard just like this. Those who have products to sell can simply click on add like this, add a new product to your website. But those who want to only buy, and they are your buyers, they will be depositing money onto their account to purchase your products. Once purchase is made, they can see their orders by going to my orders. And right now I don't have an order or active order. So let me now take my time and show you the things you need to know about this dashboard. I'll click on dashboard, and we are brought to a page just like this. On top we have 3 beautiful cards. The first one displays your total orders, your balance, and then your total products. To your left, you can see this vertical panel. Users can upload their profile image, they can see their name, dashboard, and this link is the same as this. They can see their orders. You can click here to add a new product to your, or a new listing to your website. They can see all their listings by clicking on all products. So let me click on all products and show you the products I have. And you can see these are all my products. I can edit my products. I can delete my products. You can see another button, deposit. If you click on deposit, you can see deposit now. You'll be able to add money to your wallet or your balance just like this. And you can use that money to make purchase. We have withdraw. Your sellers or those who made sales on your site can withdraw their earnings by going to withdraw. So they'll click on withdraw now, and I'll be showing you how you can set withdrawal methods on your site. You're also going to be charging them for withdrawal. They can see their withdrawal logs. They can contact you through a support ticket by clicking on support ticket. They can create a new ticket. They can also see all their recent tickets, transactions, and then settings. This way they can change or update their profile details, and then change their passwords and what have you. And that's just a quick rundown on your users dashboard, how your users dashboard, that's your sellers and buyers dashboard, will look like. It's then time for me to demo how your dashboard will look like. That's the admin's dashboard, the site owner's dashboard, which is very important because that's where you're going to be controlling your website. So the site has 2 dashboards, one for the site owner and one for your users. To get access to your control panel, enter your site name or your website URL /admin and hit enter, and you'll be brought to a page just like this. And this is your admin's interface. Enter your username and password to log into your admin's area. I'll be showing you how you can create your own admin details. So I'll click on admin, and then I'll enter admin, and password 2 is admin. After that, I'll click on sign in to get access to my admins area. Now, if you don't want other people to sell products on your site, we can disable that feature here by going to, so let me show you that feature quickly. So you go to global settings, and then here you can restrict uploads, and that means you'll be the only person uploading or selling products on your site. But those of you who want to make it a multi-vendors or multi-seller site, make sure you disable that so that other people can also sell products on your website. I'm only going to show you where to find what, but after we set up the site, I'll take my time and show you everything you need to know about your dashboard, what to do on your dashboard. So let's go back to our main panel by scrolling back to the top and then clicking on dashboard. This way you see your overall stats or statistics of your website, what is going on your site. Your monthly deposit and withdrawal report this year can be found here. Daily logins will be found here. Total orders, total approved, total categories created, total deposit charge, and I'll be showing you how you can set up deposit charge on your site and even withdrawal charges. Scroll down, you can see your stats: total users, active users, total email unverified, pending withdrawals, and what have you. You can see all your users here by clicking on all users, and then you see your users. Right now I'm the only user on the site. You can click on user profile, and then you can add balance to this user account. You can subtract their balance. You can log in as this user, and this is what we call just log in, okay, or private login. They are not aware of this login. You log in to see what they are doing on their account. You can see notifications. You can send email to this user. You can ban this user. You can see their login history. You can enable a lot of things on this user's account. Scroll down, you can see their details. You can update their details and save changes. Subscribers, those who subscribe to your newsletter can be found here. Categories, and this is where I'm going to be showing you how to set up your own categories. Products, you can see all your pending products, your approved products here. Orders, all your orders can be found here. Deposits, payment gateways. I'm going to be showing you how to set up your own payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, Flutterwave. If PayPal is not supported in your country, don't worry, there are a lot of payment systems you can configure on this website. So stay tuned and see how we're going to do it. We have withdrawals that can be found here. Your transaction report, login activities, notifications, your support tickets. This way you respond to users support here. Pending, close, answered, and then all. Pages, you can manage your website content here. So all the demo content I just showed you can be managed here. Go to sections, you can see all your pages. And this is what we use to control our website text or content. Your site has an About Us page. If you go there, you can update the content that is there. So this is your About Us. Okay. Go to banner section and you can update your hero banner. We have our global settings, logo and favicon. This way you change your website logo. Website language can be updated here. Email and notifications. And this way you'll be setting up what we call SMTP. Go to email configuration, and without SMTP your website will never send out email. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It's a protocol we use to send out emails. Without it, your site will never send out email notifications. We also have SMS configuration, but we are not going to be setting up SMS notifications in this video, so just ignore that settings for now. We have plugins. I'll be showing you how to configure plugins or various plugins after we set up the site. We have your SEO, that's search engine optimization settings, and this is very important because it will help you get discovered on Google. And then your GDPR policy. So that's a quick rundown on your control panel, how your control panel looks like. It's then time for us to launch our site. After launching the site, I will now show you how to configure your website properly. So if you are ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and launch our website by getting our domain name and web hosting. Okay, so before you build any kind of website, it doesn't matter the kind of website you want to build, be it a business website, a blogging website, a shopping website, or any generic website. There are two things you need to get started, and that is a domain name and web hosting. If this is your first time hearing these terms, don't worry, let me explain. So when we talk of your hosting account is a supercomputer, also known as a web server, that keeps your website live on the internet 24/7. They are the same computers that keep Google live on the internet and Facebook live on the internet. Just think of any website on this planet. They're the things that are keeping our websites on the internet 24/7. So the speed and performance of your website mainly depends on your hosting provider. The next thing we will need to build our website is domain name. Domain name is nothing but the address of your website. Google.com is a domain name. Pixabay.com is a domain name. Hoodly.com is a domain name. Canva.com is a domain name. It is the name people are going to use to always remember your website. And then anytime they want to come to your website, they type it on the web browser, the search box, and then hit enter and land on your website. You know, as human beings, we all have names. I'm called Solomon. You also have your name. It's your identity. Okay, so that's a domain name. With that being said, let's go ahead and purchase our domain name and web hosting from this hosting provider called makigohost.com. In the description of this video, you see a link which is get 50% off. Okay, click on that link, and that's an affiliate link. After you click on it, it will take you to a page just like this. Please, on top, hover on it and then click on shared hosting. You'll be brought to this page. Please go ahead and read what is here. Scroll down to their hosting packages. Makigo Host has 3 basic plans: Go Basic, Standard, and Go Unlimited. But because we are getting started, let's choose their basic plan. Okay, now let me explain to you the features that come with the basic plan. With the basic plan, you can only host one website. You get 20 gigabyte SSD storage. Makigo Host is offering SSD and not HDD. Let me explain to you the difference. Now let's go to Google and then make a quick Google search on SSD versus HDD. Hit enter. Please click on images. Please click on this image. Now let's compare the two. When it comes to speed, SSD is faster than HDD. You can make most Google search on these storage technologies, okay, SSD versus HDD. So looking at it, SSD is better than HDD. All right, so let's go back there, and then they have unlimited bandwidth, unlimited FTP accounts. You'll be able to set up 10 business emails. Having a website online, you need a business email. Every new client gets a free .com domain name for 1 year, and the renewal price is the same, and then 24/7 technical support, uptime guarantee 99.9. The longer you go, the bigger you save. Okay, so let's go ahead and then purchase the Go Basic plan from makigohost.com. Click on Other Hosting. You will be redirected to a domains registration page. This is where we're going to register our domain name. Please go ahead and enter your domain name here. If you already have a domain name somewhere and you want to transfer it over to Makigo Host, this is where you choose here, and then you enter your domain name and click on transfer. If you have an existing domain name somewhere, this is where you choose, and then you put your domain name here and then click on use. In this case, I'm going to register a new domain name, so I'll go with the first one and then I'll enter my domain name here. So I'll just put a testing domain name here and let's see. So this is my domain name, solo test, and then I pick my TLD, which is .com, .net, .org. This is where you pick your TLD. So if you want a .com domain name, please pick the first one. If you want .net, .org, in that order. I want to go with the .com domain name, so I'll leave it as default, and then I'll click on check. Now I'm going to check whether this domain name is available, and if it's available, it will tell us the domain name is available. And unfortunately, solomon.test.com is not available because someone registered it and is in use. Example is, if I type google.com here, I'll not be able to register this domain name because it is already owned by Google. And you can see google.com is unavailable. So what you have to do is to get creative and then come up with your own unique address. So I'll simply remove it and I'll put solotutorials.com and then click on check to see whether this domain name is still available or it has been taken. And congratulations, solomontutorials.com is available, and that means I can claim ownership of this domain name. So what we need to do after we get this congratulations message is we'll simply click on continue. And right now .com domain name is free on Makigo Host for 1 year, so you simply click on to continue. And you'll be redirected to this page. This is where you choose your billing cycle, whether you want to go with them monthly, yearly, quarterly. Okay, so this is where you choose that. I want to go with them yearly, like this, and then you go down and there are some add-ons you can add to your cart if only you find them necessary. Okay, SEO. But for tutorial purpose, I'm going to leave everything as it is, and then I'll click on continue. you will be taken to a domains configuration page, and this is where you choose DNS management, ID protection, and email forwarding. Please, if you have the cash, go ahead and pick ID protection, because it's going to protect your own identity on the internet. So you can pick that, but for now I don't have cash, so I'll untick it and then come down and click on continue. If you have reached to this part, congrats, because we are almost done. So this review and checkout page, you review your cart, the items that are in your cart or your basket, and then you can see everything is looking good, and our domain name is free here. Okay, so we are only paying for the hosting, which is $299 every month. Multiplied by 12 months, you get this amount, that's annually. And then we scroll down and we have our add-ons here. If you want, you can add any of these to your cart, but for tutorial purposes I'm not going to do that. Now in the description of this video you see a coupon code TUP50, so go ahead and type TUP50 and you're going to get 50% off. This is a special deal for you. Okay, I've partnered with Makigo to give you 50% off. So just click on validate code. Congratulations, the promotion code is accepted. Now you're going to pay almost $18 today, and then you renew it as normal, which is going to be $48, because by then your domain name would be expired. Okay, so we click on checkout to make our purchase. Okay, to make payment. After you click on checkout, you're taken to this checkout page, and this is where you enter your personal data, your first name, last name, your email, your phone number, your password. Okay, and Makigo uses what we call password generator in order to get a secured password. That way it will be very difficult for hackers to compromise your account. You can increase the length of your password by putting something like 20 here, so that your password will be a little bit longer. Okay, and then you click on generate new password. You can see it has increased in what number. Then you click on copy, and then you can also click on copy to clipboard and insert like this, and your password is going to be inserted here for you. But make sure you paste your password somewhere safe, because you're going to forget this password, trust me. So just paste it somewhere in a notepad. After that, go ahead and then choose your country. Okay, this is very simple. Choose your country, and then we have 3 options here to make payment. The first one is Flutterwave, and we have Paystack, and then we have Encrypto. So if you have something like Bitcoin, you can go ahead and then make your payment using one of your digital wallets. So I'll fill my details and get to you on the other side of the screen. Alright, so after you click on complete order, you are taken to an invoice page just like this, and then you have the options to pick any of your payment providers, your favorites, and then the one I'm going to pick is Flutterwave, and beneath you can see a summary of your invoice and everything here. Okay, so I'll just click on here and then choose Flutterwave and then wait. Go ahead and enter your card number, click on pay. If you want, you can also pay with Google Pay, and this is my favorite, okay, because I have Google Pay connected to my Gmail. So I'll just click on Google Pay, and then click on pay with Google Pay, and it will take me to my Gmail account, and then I'll make payment. Once payment is made, you will be redirected to your hosting dashboard or your client's area. Okay, so this is your client's area. In your case, you have one service here with one domain name. In my case, I don't have a domain name here because my domain name is somewhere, and that's the one I'm using to make my tutorials. This video is not about web hosting and cPanel, but if you want to learn about hosting accounts, how to manage your hosting account and your cPanel, how to create your business email, how to do what we call email forwarding, that way anytime you receive an email into your business email, it gets forwarded to your Gmail account. I'll have a video in the description or in the card that will be talking to you about everything you need to know about your hosting account. I'll be walking you through everything about your hosting account as well as your cPanel. With that being said, let's go ahead and start building our website. Your domain name might not appear instantly after purchasing hosting and domain name, so give your hosting provider up to 24 hours to propagate your domain name. The period your domain name takes to appear online is called propagation, but sometimes this can take less than 24 hours. Once the propagation period is complete, just type your website name inside your web browser, hit enter, and you should see something like this, index of, and that means you are now live on the internet. And this means if you give your website address to anyone, they will be able to see your website just like this. So you are live. Congratulations. Go back to your cPanel or your hosting dashboard and go to services. Click on your hosting package. In my case, I have a basic plan with Makigo host, so I'll just click on go basic. To your left, click on login to cPanel. cPanel is where you manage your website files. On top here, type file, click on file manager, and file manager is where you upload your website files. Scroll down, and we are looking for a directory called public_html. This directory is called public because anything you upload inside that directory is going to be rendered online. Let's open it, and right now it's empty. Because it's empty, when we open our site address, we are not going to see anything. Let's create an example file. So click on file, and let's name this file solo.txt. Click on create. Now let's go back, reload, and you can see solo.txt. Let's enter text inside that file or that txt file. Click on edit, edit again, and we're going to start writing some text here. So let's say welcome to my YouTube channel. Click on save changes, go back to your website address, reload. Now let's open it, and you can see welcome to my YouTube channel is here. So anything you put inside that directory, public_html directory, will be rendered as, or will be rendered online. It's then time for us to upload our website files here for our website to appear online. How then do we come by our website files? Okay, so to create a website, you need what we call programming language. So most people prefer PHP, which is a server-side scripting language, in combination with what we call JavaScript. We also need a markup language like HTML, and then we also need a form of styling language or cascading language called CSS. And these languages are like any other language, something like French, Chinese, those languages that you don't understand. These languages are just like that. So you need to dedicate some time to learn these languages. Something like PHP, for you to become proficient, you need somewhere 5 years to master PHP. After learning your first language, your second language will be easier to learn. Mostly, we start with HTML and then CSS. These are the basic languages we need to write or to create the skeleton of our website before we add the functionalities, and that's through PHP or JavaScript, depending on the technology you want to use. The point I'm trying to make here is we can learn all these languages within 2 years, master them, and build a website closer to the one I just showed you in the demo. Because of this challenge, developers have come out with a solution, and that is they design or they build already existing scripts for you to simply purchase, upload onto your web server, and have your website go live without necessarily touching a single line of code. So we're simply going to acquire the script, unzip it or download it, upload it to our web server to have our digital products website live. How then do we get this script? Well, in the description of this video, you're going to see a link that says get script here. When you click on that link, it will take you to a page just like this. So this is the script we're going to purchase, and on top here you can see multi-vendor digital downloads marketplace, and that's what I guess demonstrated or I guess explained to you. It's a multi-vendors script. That means other people can also sell their products on your site. But if you don't want that feature, you can simply disable uploads on your digital download site. So let's buy this script, which is $35, and then upload it to our web server. If you were to hire a web design agency or a web developer to build a script like this, I can only imagine the amount of money you're going to be spending for this, or you pay this developer to build you a website similar to the one I just showed you. So $35 is a good investment for what you are getting. So I'll simply add the script to cart, make the purchase, and then download it. After that, I'll get to you on the other side of the training. Hey guys, this part of the video will now show you how to upload your script to your web server. Those of you who have purchased your script, congratulations. We are now going to unzip our script and upload it to our web server. So how do we do that? Go ahead and download your script. I have downloaded my script and I have it here on my desktop. We're going to right click on it and we're going to extract files. Click on OK and wait for the file to extract. Whilst we wait for our file to extract, let's go back to cPanel and create a database. So go back to cPanel. Here, type DB. Click on my SQL databases. Let's name our database Digital DB. is the name of my database. Click on create database. Click on go back. Scroll down, and we're going to create a user for our database. So put something like this: digital user. Create a password for your user. Copy the password. Click here, and then click here. Click on create user, and your user is created. Remember to paste your password somewhere safe like this, because we'll need it to connect our script to our website. To get pasted somewhere safe, click on go back. We're going to connect our database to our user. So scroll down, select your user. In your case, you're going to have one user. Click here and pick your user. Click here and pick your database. After that, click on add, and this will add our user to our database. Click here to allow all privileges. Scroll down and click on make changes. You see this success message. It means you have allowed all privileges. Scroll back to the top, and we'll be needing our user and our database to connect to our website. Navigate to your file manager. Open your public_HTML. Click on upload. This is where we're going to be uploading, or this is the interface we'll be using to upload our files. Go back to where you extracted your files. In my case, this is my script, so I'll double click on it to open it like this. You're going to have 3 folders like this. We're going to zip this folder called files. So right click, click on add to archive, zip, and then OK. Let's wait for this file to get zipped. When the process is complete, we'll be dragging our zipped file to our web server. So just click on it, drag it to your interface, and this is where we're going to be uploading our script. So just drop it there and wait for this file to get uploaded to your web server. We have successfully uploaded our file, and you can see it's 100%. After seeing this green bar, click on this link to go back to your public directory. Make sure you click on settings and make sure show hidden files is enabled, just like this, and click on save. Now click on your file and click on extract. After that, click on or proceed to extract files. Close it and delete it. So this one is no longer needed. Click on delete, trash, and confirm. Open this file, select all, move, remove files, and then move. Remove files and click on go. delete files, confirm. Good job. Next, open the applications folder. Open your environment file. So just click on it once and click on edit. Click on edit again. And this is where we're going to be connecting our database to our script. Remove host, remove this and put local host. Your database, go back to your database interface where we set up our database. Copy your database name. Go back to your environment file and put your database here. Username, just copy your username right here on this interface, and we're going to paste our user here. Password, remember that password I asked you to save it somewhere safe. We need that password now to connect, so just copy that password and paste your password here. After that, click on save. We can now close our database interface. But before we do so, just click on the search and type PHP. Click on PHP my admin and wait. Pick your database from this panel. In your case, you're going to have only one. But because I use this account, hosting account for tutorial purposes, you're seeing 3 databases here. So I'm going to pick this particular database. So click on it once. Here, click on import. After landing on this interface, click here, choose file, and go to wherever you extracted your script. In my case, I'll go to desktop, pick my extracted document or file, go to database, and then double click on database.sql. After that, we'll scroll down and click on import. This step is very important because without it, our site will never come live. So do that. Import has been successfully finished. Let's now test our website. So we'll type our site name and open it. And right away, we have our website live on the internet. So that database file we imported is responsible for all this content. It's then time for us to customize our website by changing our logo, our text, to make it look unique, because a lot of people are going to be watching this YouTube video. Because of that, we don't want to have duplicated content or duplicated websites on the internet. For this, I'll show you how to get access to your admins area. So the default admin login for your website, so type your website name /admin and you'll be brought to a page like this. Enter admin and then admin as your password and click on sign in. We'll be changing our login details. If not, your site will get hacked because your site has this default admin as your username and then admin as password. To change that really quickly, go back to your cPanel, go to, just type PHP here and go to PHP my admin. After landing on PHP my admin, pick your database. So I'll click on my database. Once the page is loaded, click on admins, click here edit, because this is where you can modify your admin details. So click on edit, and we're going to change our admin details here. Enter your website business email here. I'll have a video in the description that will show you how to modify or how to create a business email for your website. Do not use Gmail. So enter that here, modify that here. So this is going to be my admin's email. Scroll down a bit, we have username. Change this username to a stronger username. So I'll add 123 to it to make it unique, to prevent hacking. We have password. Click here, scroll down and pick this one. Change your admin password to something different or to something unique. Scroll down and click on go. And your admin details will be changed. And this will make it harder for people to hack your site. Now we can go back to our site, log out, and then enter admin and admin to see if our details have really changed. So admin, and these details were changed. Okay, we just change those details, so we'll get an error, invalid credentials. So we're now going to enter our new admin details, and then we'll click on sign in. And here we are inside our dashboard. Let's open our demo site, the one I just showed you from the beginning of the tutorial. So open it like this. Scroll down. And we have these categories. So the very first thing we'll be doing is to create categories for our site. So now this is our new site. And right now we don't have categories. But on my demo sites, we have categories. So how do we create categories for our site? Go back to your dashboard. And on top here, we have categories. Just click on it. On top, click on add new and start writing your category. So what are the categories you want to have on your website? My first category happens to be ebooks. So I'll put ebooks. Ebooks. Click on this field and type here ebook or book. Okay, so book, and then I'll pick this one. After that, I'll click on submit, and the first category is created. Click on top again, add new, enter your category name. This time it's going to be HTML because I want people to be able to sell their HTML templates on my site. Click on this field and type HTML. I can pick this or this. I'm going to pick this icon and then I will submit. Our second category is created. So do that for the rest of your categories. But I'm going to add one more category to the site. This time I'm going to put PHP scripts. Click here and search for PHP. Pick PHP and then submit. So I hope the idea is simple now. Go ahead and create as many categories as you want on your digital downloads website. Once that is done, scroll down and we're going to set up payment gateways because you want to give people options to make payment with. We have automatic payment gateways and manual payment gateways. I will show you how to set up these payment methods. So already all your payment methods are enabled. Those that you don't need, you can simply disable them by clicking on disable and then OK. So go ahead and disable all the payment methods you don't want on your site, or those payment methods that are not supported on your site, disable them. If not, your site will have these payment methods that users cannot make payment with. So I assume you have disabled all your payment methods. The one I'm going to enable here, or the one I'm going to leave enabled, is PayPal, because it's very easy to set up PayPal on this website. Just click on this pencil icon, enter your PayPal email. So I'm going to enter my dummy PayPal email. This is a fake PayPal email. Pick a currency for this payment. I'll pick USD and click on add new. Scroll down and we have minimum amount people can deposit 1, and then your maximum amount. How much? I'll put 1,000. You can put 9999, whatever value you want. Percentage charge. You want to charge buyers percentage or on every purchase they make. So I'll charge a fixed percentage of a fixed charge of $1 and a percentage of maybe 20%. Currency. Pick USD and then here put 1 day. After that, click on save. This way, when users are making payments, they'll be charged extra, like this fix, and then this what percentage, 20%. So $1 plus 20% fee. So that's how you set up PayPal. Let's go back. Coin payment is there, and this will enable you, or this will allow you to accept what we call cryptocurrencies. Scroll down and we are going to enable Paystack. So click on Paystack. This is going to be your Paystack call URL. So you paste this URL inside of your Paystack dashboard. Okay, so and this webhook URL. Enter your Paystack public key and your secret key here. And don't forget to pick a currency for this payment. All right. And then save changes. Those of you who want to set up manual payment methods on their site, something like bank transfer, Momo, and what have you, just click here to go back. On top, we have manual gateways. Click here, add new, and I'm going to show you how you can set up bank transfer method. So here, just name your payment method. So this is called bank transfer. Bank transfer. The currency, let's put USD like this. Rate, put 1. Minimum can be 1, maximum can be what? 1,000. Fixed charge, this is going to be the transaction charge. Fixed is 1, percentage can be 20, and this will be like extra money or your processing fee. Okay, we have user input fields. You want to give them the option to upload proof of payment, like a screenshot of their payment to you, so that you confirm the payment. Make sure this field is required, and then here enter something like proof of what? Of payment. Proof of payment. File extension, pick PNG and whatever. Okay, you want to give them the option to upload any of these. After that, click on add. Here you want to give them instruction. So this is where you specify your banking or your banking details. So your bank name is, let's see, XYZ Bank. Okay, your account number for them to send the money. So your account number will be something like this. Account name will be something like, put your account name there. Your routing number or your Swift code can be here. So, and this code is for we use this code to transfer money. Okay, banks use this code to transfer money across different countries. All right, so ask your bank for their Swift code so that you put it there. After that, just go down, and all you need to do is to click on save, and you have this bank transfer gateway set up. So when they're making payment or when they're buying your scripts, they have the option to transfer money via bank to you or to your bank. Scroll down and go to general settings. Make sure user registration is enabled, email verification is enabled, email notification is enabled, terms and conditions enabled. Now, if you don't want users to upload files, or you want to be the only user on this site, please then restrict uploads. After that, save changes. Don't forget to change your site name here. So I will say this site is called Solo Digitals. Okay, Digitals. Also enter your site name there, your currency. If you want to change your website currency, you can do that here. Your site colors can be done here. After that, let's click on what? Save changes. And we are done. Go to logo and favicon, and this way you change the logo for your site. Design your website logo, upload your logo here. Okay, so we have your dark logo, which is going to be this one, and then your light logo, which is going to be this one, and then your favicon. Favicon is that icon you always see, or that image you always see here. This is a favicon. Okay, every site has a favicon. So upload your own favicon and click on save. Next, go to email and notifications. Scroll down to email configuration, and then make sure you replace these details. Just remove them. Okay, and then upload your own SMTP credentials. I have a video in the description, which is part of my playlist, that will show you how to set up SMTP. Without this, your website will never send out emails. So watch that video, get your credentials, upload them here, and start That way your website will start sending out emails. After that, save changes. Now we'll go to plugins. If you want to enable live chat system, and it's called talk to, just click on edit, enter your talk to app key here, save changes. After that, click here to enable it on your site, and then click on yes. Also, you can enable Google reCAPTCHA. I hope you know what reCAPTCHA is. If you don't know what it is, let me show you quickly. Is this thing, I'm not a robot. Okay, that's good. This is a reCAPTCHA. I'm not a robot. If you want to enable it on your site, guess click here, enable, and then edit, enter your site key and your secret key here. Now, how do you get these details? I have another video in the description, which is part of my playlist, that will show you how to create Google reCAPTCHA account and then how to also get access to your details. Grab those details and paste them here. After that, just click on save, and your site will start displaying reCAPTCHA on registration page and login pages, or your login page. Save changes, and then that is it. We have your search engine optimization settings. Go there and upload a banner for your website, and this is going to appear on Google, so make sure you upload it. This is the recommended size. Use a tool like Photoshop or Canva to design a banner for your digital downloads website. After that, upload it here. Enter your website keywords. So I'll enter my website keywords, something like it's a digital downloads. Press enter. Digital products, digital products website. So enter all your keywords, enter a meta description for your site. This will help people to discover you. Enter your social title here, social description. So you can copy your meta keywords and put it inside, or your meta description and put it inside your social description, and then click on save changes. Go to GDPR policy, edit these details and make sure you enable it. Go back to sections, and this is where you edit or you modify the main content on your site. So let's go to banner. Enter your details here. So let me show you where you find these things. Welcome to, enter your website name here. My site name is called Solo Digitals, so I'll say welcome to Solo Digitals. Now let me open my site, scroll back to the top. You can see welcome to, so this is where you replace that, Solo Digitals. Premium Digitals Access, that content can also be found here. Remove that and save changes. Your blogging area, this is where you write your blog content. So just click on blog, scroll down, open your site, scroll down, and then this way you see your, or you find your blog. See our latest news. So go back there, see our latest news. You can modify that text here, your heading here, and these dummy blog posts, delete them and create your own blog post. So simply click on delete to remove all of them, and to create a new blog post, just click on top, add new, upload an image for your blog, title, write your block here, and then your button link. So here can be what? Read more or continue reading. Just put something like that and save changes. That way they'll be able to see a button like this and they can click to read more. Go back to your dashboard. We have contact us, and this is where you control or you manage your contact details. Enter your contact details here, and your footer text can also be found here. About us, counter section. You can modify your counters here. Let's go back to our site and I'll show you where you can find your counters. So go to about, scroll down, you can see this is what we call counters. Okay, frequently asked questions. Go back, scroll down, and we have your FAQ area here. So take your time and modify all these details. All right, your social icons can be found here. Click on social icons, click here, edit, and you'll be able to modify your social links like this. You can add additional social networks by clicking on top, add new. So that's how you modify the main content on your website. Very, very, very simple to do. Okay, now let's preview our website to see our work progress. After that, we'll create a first product on our website, or our first product on our website, and say bye bye to this video because the concept is very simple. For a successful registration, make sure you set up SMTP, and that's the video I asked you to watch, because every new user will have to what? Verify their emails. And if your site cannot send out emails, that means there's no way they'll be able to verify their emails. Because I have wrong reCAPTCHA details or reCAPTCHA credentials, we are seeing this error, but this is the reCAPTCHA. Okay, in your case, you are not going to have those errors. After doing what I asked you to do, so I'll go back here and then restrict uploads. I will disable it because I want users to be able to register. For now, because I don't have SMTP set up, email verification, I'll make it optional. Like, I'll disable it. That way I can register an account on the site. Not forgetting of your reCAPTCHA. To also disable my reCAPTCHA, I'll go down and click on the plugins. After that, I'll disable my reCAPTCHA. That way, I'll register an account without problems. So now let's reload our page. And this is our site. We have 3 categories like we created on our site, but right now we don't have products on the site. Let's now create an account by clicking on register. I'll enter my username, Solomon. I'll enter my password. So I'm going to use admin@gmail.com. Phone number, I'll enter some random phone number. Country, this is going to be automatically selected. So let me just put something like this. Enter password. I'll enter my password. So I'll simply take the same name as my password, like this. Enter, confirm password, accept the terms and conditions, and click on sign up. And we are in our dashboard. We have to finish our user profile setup by first of all entering our username. So I'll click here and put first name. So first name is going to be Solomon. Last name can be my father's name, address can be test address, state can be test state, city can be test city, zip can be 0000, and then I'll click on submit. And that's it, guys. We are now in our dashboard. So let's create our first product. I'll click on product, add new product. Let's pick a category for our listing. I'm going to sell an HTML template. So these categories is very important. That's why we set them up. Without it, users cannot upload products. So I'll pick my HTML category. How much do you want to price your product? So something like 20 USD, because your site is in USD. Now demo link, because I'll be selling my HTML template, I want to give them access to a demo link, just like on Codecaniel. Because when we go to Codecaniel, let me show you quickly. And then we type, let's see, coming soon template. Okay, coming soon template in HTML. Okay, so this is the one I use for my demo site. Just click on it, scroll down. When you hover on it, you see live preview. You can also see another link here, live preview. So this live preview would take us to a demo, how the product looks like. We want them to demo it, okay, before making a buying decision. So we're also going to do that. View demos. Okay, so we'll pick one of these demos, and then I'm simply going to copy my demo. Okay, so that's what your users will be doing, and then I'll paste that demo link here. File compress. Your users are required to upload a zipped file for their products. So let's navigate to, let me see. Okay, so this is the one I'll be uploading. Okay, I want something that is light so that it will get uploaded fast. Let's see, HTML, and then I'm going to zip it. So I assume this is my script. Right, now I'll pick it, which is very light for us to. Okay, so next up we'll be uploading a template. Product name, what's the name of this product? Maybe it's a coming soon HTML template. If you want to put this thing on discount, then you can put your discount percentage here, whether 2% discount, 10% discount, or whatever. But okay, so let's say maybe 15% discount. Scroll down, enter your product description. So I'll simply go back here and just copy their description. All right, this is just for tutorial purposes. All right, so I'll copy their description like this, and then I'll paste my description there like this. Sorry. Let's copy it again. So right click, copy, go back and paste. And this is like a normal text editor. Very simple. They can even add what we call HTML code, do a lot of fancy things. So let's upload our templates. I will simply use these people template. So I'll click on screenshots, and then I'll download this template. Sorry, this screenshot or this image. It's called thumbnail, not template. So I'll click download, and I have it there. That means your users too are required to upload their own what? Screenshots or thumbnails like this. Once that is done, just scroll down, and they can decide to make this free. If they don't want to sell it, they can offer it for free by clicking on provide it for free, and then click on publish, and this product will be published on your site. And because our products are light now successful, products successfully published, we can simply view our site. Let's see, by, and then hit enter. Scroll down, and we have our first product live on the site. You can click on it to preview it. Hover on it, and you can see live preview. We can click on live preview to see a live preview of our software or our script. So that's what you do for your products. It doesn't matter the product you are selling, provided it's a digital product, you can still sell it on this website without problems. Okay, whether ebook, templates, whatever. Now let me show you how users are going to request for withdrawal, or how users are going to withdraw their money. After that, we'll say bye bye to this video. So I'll take you back to our demo, and then let's say a user makes a sale. Once sale is made, they'll have what? Balance in their account. So let's add money to this user's account, and then I'll show you how they're going to. So we assume they have made some sale of, let's see, $100, and then remarks, test balance. So just put something like that there. This is for tutorial purposes. I'm only showing you what you need to know. Save changes. Now they have a positive balance here, and see there's a transaction, one transaction. Okay, good. Now you can ban, you can also subtract balance, log in as this user, and then do a lot of things. Let's log in, or let's go to the user's dashboard. So I'll simply reload this page, go to dashboard, and now they have balance in their account. Scroll down, and we have withdraw. Click on withdraw now, pick method, and right now we have not set a withdrawal method. Enter amount, and if you click on submit, you're going to notice that no method. So what do we do now? Let's create a withdrawal method. So we'll go back to our dashboard, scroll down, and we'll go to withdrawals. On top we have pending, approve, rejected, all, and withdrawal method. Click on add new, and you're going to give them options. So something like bank transfer. Set up your bank transfer method here. So let's put something like bank transfer. Currency will be in USD. Rate will be like 1 USD to 1 USD. Instruction, tell them what to do. So because they are withdrawing, you want to tell them, give them some information. Calm down. Okay, the minimum they can withdraw is maybe 10 or 1 or whatever, or the threshold they can withdraw is maybe $100. That means they can only withdraw once they reach $100 threshold. So I'll put there 1, because I don't want problems. I don't want to have problems with my users. But if you're getting a lot of sales, then you have to increase this, because it's going to be a nightmare. Every dollar a seller makes they'll be requesting whether $1 or $1 or $2 they'll be requesting for, or they'll be expecting their money. Okay, and that's going to be a lot of work. So we'll put something like, let me just put 1 there for demo purposes, and then here I can put 1,000 that they can withdraw. Fixed charge, you're going to be charging them a withdrawal. So this is where you're going to now get your money. Every sale you make, or every sale they make, they'll be asking for a withdrawal, and that means you're going to get maybe 20%. Sorry, this is going to be a percent here, put it here. Either 25% of their earnings plus a fixed charge is going to be your withdrawal. So the payment methods we set up here, okay, just relax, because this is getting interesting. Now let's just give them a message. Wait as we process your transaction. Okay, transaction or your transfer, whatever. So your transfer. This can take up to 24 hours. This can take up to 24 hours. So this is a notice you're giving them. But on the other side of, when it comes to payment gateway, you want to give them the details to make payment with. Okay, your bank name, your what. But because it's a withdrawal, they don't need that information. Okay, because they are not making payment. They are rather taking payment. They are receiving the payment. Because of this, you want to give them a field. All right, so click here, input field. You want to give them a text area. Okay, so something like text, make it required, and then tell them to enter the account name, and then save it. Next, we need account number. So the same, you can pick it as what? Text. Okay, there's no number there, so pick text. Go to required, make sure it's required. Account number, and then save. Click here, and we have your bank, their bank name. Okay, we want them to tell us their bank, or to give us their bank details. So maybe bank name, full name, and whatever data you need. So okay, this one too, let's give it as Swift code or routing number, because without this number you can't send them the money. And then click on what? Save. Okay, now click on what? Save. Good. So your charge is going to be what? 20% plus 1. And when it also comes, now let's do this math. 20% withdrawal from your sellers. So that means every transaction they make, you're going to get 20% plus $1. On the side of the buyers, okay, let's go to payment gateway. When it comes to the buyers, PayPal, they're also going to be paying processing fee. You can also put a processing fee there, maybe 5%. This is too much. Okay, if it's too high, they may not buy these things, because when you're buying a script on Codecanion, okay, something like the script that you get purchased, okay, I don't know if you notice it, Codecanion charge you a percent, some fee, okay, a certain fee to buy that, and that's a processing fee. So our case too, we are also going to do what? Charge our buyers a percentage, just like what Codecanion did to you. So this gets a very good example, and I'm happy you experience it. So let's click on save. So 20 plus 5, 25 in total. So you'll be making 25% of every transaction that is going on your site. You have full control over this. You can set it up the way you want. Okay, now let's go back here and then reload our page and then select our payment method, which is bank transfer. Enter our amount here, and the charge is going to be 21 USD in total that you will get. Okay, if it's too much, you can set it. You can do whatever you want to do with your site. After I click on submit, and then we're waiting as we process your transfer. This can take up to 24 hours. They will ask to enter their details. So account name will be Solomon. Routing number will be, you get these details, and then you use that those details to send them the money. Don't forget to add another field, bank name. So that when you are sending the money, you know the bank you are sending the money to, and then they will click on submit, and then withdraw request successfully sent. You get notice that someone has requested for a withdrawal, and they are going to get $79 of, so you will be sending $79 to them and then keep the remaining. So guys, that's the whole process of creating your own digital downloads multi-vendors site. I hope you liked this video. It took me 2 weeks of planning, recording, researching, editing, and then uploading this video. If you like the energy I put into this content or these videos, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be releasing a lot of valuable information on this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Hoping to see you in my next episode. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.